In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok region in quick, easy step. Head over to TikTok, then click on your profile picture here at the bottom. Now, click on the three dots at the top here. Now, if you see here, there's no place for changing region, but there's a way around it. Go back to your home screen. Now, go to Google Play Store, then search Secure VPN. This one here, I already have it installed, so I just open it. Click on the X sign at the top to close the payment area so you don't pay. Select on the global sign that represents the world map. Now choose a region here. You can choose any location that you desire. Maybe I want to choose United Kingdom or United States. Let me just choose United Kingdom. Then go back to the TikTok application. Now refresh it. By doing this, you will automatically change the region of your TikTok application. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.